is a Maytronics M5 Liberty. It is a cordless pool cleaning robot that a friend gave me. This is not in the best condition. The filters have not been cleaned. Some of the foam rollers are mouldy. This is the electronic charger it comes with. The pod joins to the robot. The charger plugs into this control pod. The wires have been cut off by a copper wire salvage crew. The robot is disassembled to remove the motor. The Liberty version has a large lithium-ion battery inside the motor. Let's see what's inside the control pod. Inside we find a weighting mechanism. There is a circuit set up to control the robot and the charging. The cord that has been cut is fully sealed. The red, black and white wires go to the charger. These wires go to the robot and two are power wires. This shows how watertight the connection is. We could possibly try and remove the wire completely, but we don't want to break the water seal. We do not want water to enter this section. This is all that is left of the charge cable. We need to work out how the wires join to the control pod. I labelled the red, black and white wires but noted A, B, C on the pins. I have to join 4 wires to join the pod to the motor. I use this cast stereo lead which has more than 4 cores. The wires are joined but need to be waterproofed. The wires are insulated. This is Storm Seal silicone sealant. While the silicone is still wet, we wrap it. Using 3M micropore will allow the sealant to bind with the wrap. Not pretty, but it's waterproof. With the pod joined to the motor, we can test it. The motor successfully goes through its diagnostic tests. All we need to do is work out the charger. I take apart the wiring connector from a Honda Odyssey. I want 3 of these connectors. We can fix the Odyssey later. They will be used to make my charger plug. Out of the charger are red, black and brown wires. How do red, brown and black join with white, red and black of the pod? This has me stumped. The connectors are adjusted with needle nose pliers so they fit round pins. They are insulated. Once they fit the control pod input, we use dental acrylic. When the acrylic sets, we have a plug that fits the pod. The plug can only fit in one position. You ask, why don't I just buy the cable? I found the cable in Italy for €95 plus postage. That's about $200 Australian more than I want to spend. Maytronics would not help me regarding the pins for the charge cable. The cable seller would not give me the pin outputs either. I had to find someone with this cable to test which wires go where. Finally, we have success. The charger connects to the pod using my custom cable. The robot charges and is now working. The robot was cleaned up and water tested. Thanks for watching.